When it comes to hair transplant, patients will often ask us whether these results are permanent or will I need additional hair transplant procedures in the future. I'm Dr. Goldstein from North Atlanta Hair Restoration. When we do hair transplant procedures, we're taking hairs that are not hormone sensitive, particularly to dihydrotestosterone. The hairs that we harvest, namely from the sides and the back of your scalp, are then transplanted in the area of concern where you've been experiencing hair loss. And we anticipate that these hairs will be permanent. When we place these grafts, we want to do so in a manner that creates good density. The intent is that you hopefully will not need further transplant to the affected area where we focused our attention during your surgery. However, a lot of patients have very large areas that they want to place grafts. And in these cases, we sometimes divide these procedures into multiple surgeries. We do this so we don't overharvest from a patient's scalp or beard, and also to allow for time to heal before we come back and look to harvest grafts in the future. We feel that this approach is best because our patients understand the parameters of the upcoming hair transplant, as well as kind of our long-term goals, namely that we want to do these procedures in a safe manner. We don't want to overharvest, and we want to give you the best cosmetic results possible.